Welcome to Homework Lib. Predict the relative enthalpy of hydration, hydration number, and solubility. Which of the following ions will have the enthalpy of hydration with the largest magnitude? Which will have the greatest hydration number? Which will be most favored to dissolve in water in terms of entropy? Largest magnitude enthalpy of hydration, largest hydration number equals entropy favored to dissolve equals. The enthalpy of hydration, hydration number, and solubility of ions are influenced by their size and charge. Ions with high charge densities, such as Al3+, text, Al3+, Al3+, have the largest magnitude of enthalpy of hydration and the greatest hydration number due to their strong electrostatic attraction to water molecules. In contrast, larger ions with lower charge densities, like K+, text, K+, K+, are entropy favored to dissolve because they disrupt water structure less, promoting greater disorder in the solution. We may utilize the supplied values for the enthalpy of hydration for each ion to determine the relative enthalpy of hydration, hydration number, and solubility. The hydration enthalpy represents the energy change that occurs when an ion is surrounded by water molecules during the hydration process. When the given values are compared, enthalpy of hydration Ba2+ equals 149 kJ/mol. Fe2+ equals 92 kJ/mol. Cr3+ equals 75 kJ/mol. The ion with the largest magnitude of enthalpy of hydration will be Ba2+, as it has the highest value of 149 kJ per mole. This indicates that Ba2+ ions have a stronger attraction to water molecules and release more energy when hydrated compared to Fe2+ and Cr3+ ions. As it is known that hydration number refers to the number of water molecules that surround and interact with each ion in solution. It represents the coordination or complexation of the ion with water molecules. Determining the hydration number based solely on enthalpy values is not possible. However, in general, ions with higher charges tend to have a higher hydration number because they can form stronger electrostatic interactions with water molecules. Based on the given ions, Ba2+ has a charge of 2+, Fe2+ has a charge of 2+, crossing 3+ has a charge of 3+. As a result of its larger charge, Cr3+ will have the highest hydration number among the provided ions. It has the ability to generate stronger electrostatic connections with water molecules, enabling for more water molecules to coordinate around it. Solubility refers to a substance's capacity to dissolve in a specific solvent, in this case, water. An ion's solubility is determined by a variety of factors, including changes in enthalpy and entropy during the dissolving process. The information provided does not allow us to directly determine solubility or compare entropy changes. Higher entropy changes, on the other hand, are often favorable for disintegration. Explanation: the change in entropy during disintegration is connected to the system's disorder or unpredictability. Ions that dissolve into smaller ions, with a higher degree of freedom, or ions that can form extensive hydration shells, with a higher degree of disorder, likely to have higher entropy changes during dissolution. Based on this understanding, it can be confirmed that Cr3+ is expected to be most favored to dissolve in water in terms of entropy. Explanation: this is because Cr3+ has a higher charge, 3+, which allows it to form a greater number of hydration shells and increase the disorder of the system upon dissolution. To conclude, ion with the largest magnitude of enthalpy of hydration, Ba2+. Ion with the greatest hydration number, Cr3+. Ion most favored to dissolve in water in terms of entropy, Cr3+.